Mars. Pioneering life on another planet. Mars, our neighboring planet, has fascinated humans for decades. Mars offers a unique chance to examine life on another planet in its harsh yet compelling environment. Mars, the red planet, resembles Earth. Seasons, polar ice caps, a day-night cycle, and a thin atmosphere. Mars is ideal for human settlement due to these traits. Through orbiters, landers, and rovers, we've learned a lot about Mars' geology, climate, and the likelihood of previous liquid water, which is essential for life. Mars has many scientific mysteries. Its geology helps us comprehend rocky planet evolution, including our own. Mars offers a unique chance to find microbial life. Humans on Mars require careful planning and inventiveness to survive. It requires self-sustaining homes, superior life support systems, and local resources. Mars' thin atmosphere, severe temperatures, and radiation pose major problems. We are researching methods to pressurize homes, provide oxygen, and safeguard astronauts from the hostile Martian environment. A manned Mars expedition would take months. Precision navigation, modern propulsion systems, and thorough planning are needed to protect the crew. Living on another planet demands a distinct attitude and adaptation. To survive Mars' isolation and hardships, astronauts must train in physical endurance, scientific knowledge, and psychological resilience. Living on Mars has benefits beyond scientific exploration. It allows technology progress, resource use, and even terraforming to achieve a sustainable future. Mars' secrets and possibilities inspire us to explore. It shows our curiosity, adaptability, and ambition to explore the unknown and mold mankind. To read more about it, visit Amazon.com and search for The Martian Blueprint and Khronos Ascendancy, written by Kimberly I. Sue Potter Jackson. The links are provided in the description.